Hello everyone, I'm Llily, Senior Steel Structure Sales Manager worked at SHENYANG LANYING Color Steel Company. My job is to find the strongest and the most economic steel structure solution for global clients. We are not just selling steel, but also a reliable partner for your projects. From initial design to project delivery, we ensure precision, efficiency, and transparency at every stage. Across building zones, I maintain close communication with clients. Every building erected oversize is Liaoning greatest certificates. We anticipate challenges and I'm ready to solve any problems for you, making complex multinational construction too easy. We are backed by powerful Liaoning manufacturing base. If you are looking a reliable, professional, and responsive steel partner, please feel free to contact us. Let's build the next landmark building together.